Hello, my name is Jane Shieldhabel. I will show you how to enter or join a new member. So when you see here, we will go to www.img-corp.com and then be a member. So here, put your agent ID. For example, for me, I'll write my agent code and click submit, and then you will see who is your agent code. So that's my name, Jane Shieldhabel, and then click here to sign up for other countries. We have Asia, Middle East, Europe, South America, USA, Africa. So we are here in Europe, and then choose London. For Europe, that is 165 euros depending on the exchange rate, so you will have your pounds. And then enter your details. It will be your name, full name, email address, very important, the gender, your sponsor code, the trainer if you have, civil status, your forwarding address, you can write here for the London. And then your address here in the UK and your signature, and click continue. After continuing, you go to the payment options. So you can choose remittance, you can choose bank or PayPal. The very quick one is the PayPal. For more information, you can subscribe and call me or message me. On my Facebook, it's Jane Reynes Shieldhabel. Or on my email, it's janereynes45@gmail.com. So thank you.